Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this. The Wilktop RGB ambient light. Wow, that looks really great, as you can see. So you can upgrade your standard vehicle without ambient nice lighting effect to a really cool car, of course. And it's right easy to make this by yourself. I will prepare you another installation video how I show you how to assemble this, but it's really easy. Wilktop RGB ambient light for a car. It's a light emitted diode interior lighting with 6.5 meter LED car. This is a laser line, for example. We can use a knob control if we like to do this, and we can adjust there the brightness, and we have multiple color options. We have music sync. It's a car lighting with 12 volts supply. That means it's also on the market. You can use use it with USB, but this here is the lightning for the secret lighter 12 volt supply. So we have sound active effects. The LED under the car glow system, it's not only under the car, it's inside the car. And the interior car glow system is equipped with a noise sensor that can be used by synchronize the LED lights with the music beat. The LED music light strip follows the beat and adjusts the flashing to the sound strength. And with brightness, color, temperature settings, because the LED is equipped with a mode for setting the brightness and the color temperature by using an app. If we feel that the interior lighting of the car is too dark, we can use this mode to change the brightness knob proper. It uses Bluetooth. That means you can download the app out of the App Store for Google for Apple, or out of the Play Store for an Android device. Then the only thing is we have to pair it by using Bluetooth while it is running, of course, and job's done. And nice music decoration. The ambient lighting for the car can make a nice effects while we enjoy music and driving the car. App control for Bluetooth connection, the phone. It's suited for iOS and Android, and as you can see, really easy to use. And we have an indicator light, does not flicker, as you can see. It remains de-illuminated, which impresses the visual resolution and improves the efficiency. Continuous operation can reduce the visual fatigue and protect the vision, of course. Flexible, and it's waterproof. So it can be bent into nearly any shape and cut into any length of the angle of the light which we are going to use in our car interior. With 360 degrees adjustable, easy to install, as you can see. We have here a car LED interior light which comes to us in a powerhouse with all what we need, with low power consumption, energy saving, and environmentally friendly. We have a long service life because it's durable and easy to install, of course. Wilktop there makes an attention to the quality and practicality of the products to bring people like us a more convenient and comfortable life. The products, including ceiling series, tool series, pet products, garden series, household products, and so on, makes this big bunch of possibility and a good, reliable experience by Wilktop, of course. And they make here a really good job. If you attach it right to your car, then it will brings you a lot of joy while you're driving at night. Oh yeah, that's cool, huh? I promise, that's really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sen.